cold bolognese on cold pasta that was ready 40 minutes ago.
We saw an aggressive sneeze at one point. When I saw it, I said absolutely not.
We just won a 10,
sneeze.
a 9, and a 9. Okay,
There was
that's all
no
we want.
sneeze.
Maybe I eat the pecan. Did you want me to meet? Maybe.
Kevin, try the pasta.
And the crazy thing is,
Immediately wash my hands.
food's getting colder.
Just do it.
Kevin,
Right.
try the pasta. 3, 2, 1, reveal!
What?
You guys scored 22, the lowest score so far.